Okay, this video demonstrates how you can take multiple assignments, merge them into one PDF document for printing. So once they're merged, you'll save it to your Google Drive and then you'll just print, and each student's work will come out on a separate piece of paper. So the first thing you need to do is go into the apps launcher and go to the Chrome Web Store. It looks like this. If you don't have the shopping bag, then down here at the bottom you'll see a web store. So go ahead and click on the Chrome Web Store, and you'll want to go ahead and click on Apps, and then you would type in PDF, and Mergy comes up, so you would click on Mergy, PDF Mergy, and it's not an extension. As you can see here, it's an app, and you can see I have it added already. So yours should say Add to Chrome. So go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, and once you add it to Chrome, it's going to ask you to go through the permissions and everything. Once you have it added, go back over here to your Chrome Apps Launcher and scroll down to find it. So anytime you want to print multiple documents, you'll have to go into your Chrome apps and find PDF Mergy. So once you click on PDF Mergy, it launches the app, and you can select files from your computer. So if you had things on your computer you wanted to merge and print, you could do that also. But mostly what we're looking for are those assignments that have been turned in our Google Drive or into from our Google Classroom. Now you need to know if the student has shared it with you and it's still in your shared with you folder, you must first take those documents and add them to your drive. Because it's not going to show up. It's only going to show what is in your Google Drive currently. So you would go to your classroom folder. Let's see, I'm just going to type it in. Okay, so classroom folder. And then choose the classroom that you want to print from. So these are the assignments. Then you'll pick the folder that has the assignments. So we'll pick this one. And then you need to select all of those that you want to print. So if I had 30, I would click the top one, scroll all the way down to the bottom, hold the shift button down, and click the last one. And when you do that, it selects everything in between. Otherwise, you can just do Control C, or Control click, Control click, and it'll select just the two that you want. But again, those directions are to click the top one, scroll all the way down to the bottom, hold the shift button down, and then click the last one, and everything will be highlighted and selected. So now that I have my assignments, I can select them. And now I come up here to merge. Again, it's letting me, let's say I see I'm missing one or something, I can go back in and add more, but I have just the two assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and merge it. Now what it's doing right now is it's creating a PDF. It created a PDF out of each of those documents. Now it's taking all those documents and it's aligning them in one big long document. So student 1, student 2, student 3, they're all going to have their own separate page. So when you print, they will each print out on their own page. So if an essay is 3 pages long, then the first 3 pages belongs to student number 1. Okay, so this is my best advice right now. Some people just save this to their computer and trash it. I would save it to your Google Drive just on the occasion that a student loses their work. If you're doing this for QR codes, the QR code falls on the floor or whatever, you have it there. And then when you're done printing and using and everything, then go ahead and just delete it. But I usually just save it into my drive so I can retrieve it later. So I'm going to call this demo PDF Mergy, and then I'm going to say delete me so I know I can get rid of it. And okay. Now if I go up here where my Google Drive is, I can toggle to my Google Drive, or if I just want to go here, I can see it in my Google Drive. So it's going to show up. And it shows up in this view where this student right here, the first student, and I used Doctopus on this, so if I print it, the rubric's going to come out also from the Doctopus. But after the rubric and the comments, several students. So I did a demonstration where students also peer reviewed using student rubric. So this is the second student right here, and then the student's rubric. So I could just hit, once I see they're all there, I just come up here and I click print and I'm done. And the merged file is in my Google Drive. Let me show you that. It should be down here, whatever I named it, demo. Let's see, right there. So this is the demo PDF. You can see when I hover over it, the demo PDF Mergy. I have a few things that are demo, but this is it, and you can go back to it whenever you want and reprint it or just print certain pages. So I hope that helps with printing multiple files. It should be quick and easy. If you need me for any further support, my extension is 5924, or you can email me at rmacdonald@ewcsd.org. Have a great day.